Okay, howdy viewers, Bobby Brown out here looking at the DR. The 650 is running great. I still don't have all that many miles on it. I have 1,174 miles on it, and the odometer says 78.2, so I'm going to have to fill up soon. Try to remember to set the odometer when I fill up. I go about 100 miles and fill up again. It has a it's under 4 gallons, 3.5 gallon tank on it, I guess, somewhere in that range. I have a few things I want to talk about. I am riding a lot. I did not ride this morning. Gunwild 1 asked me why. He was concerned that I might be scared of the cold. But it wasn't the cold, it was really the rain and just tired of getting wet. I have ridden it quite a bit. I got a first gear, I'm going to show you my shadow. I got a first gear thermal suit, a one-piece thermal suit, which totally changed the game for cold weather riding. And I put a, right under here, as a matter of fact, I put a 14-tooth sprocket on this bad boy. I'll show you. I got the box right over here. See here. Here it is right here. Now, I took the original 15-tooth sprocket off of it, and I bought a 14-tooth front sprocket from Procycle. And I also bought the retainer. This is the retainer, and a lot of guys on YouTube grind this off, this outside edge, to make it work. This is also a spacer that goes in there. But then it renders this useless if you want to go back to your 15-tooth sprocket. Now my 15-tooth sprocket, I think Suzuki had it right. I think they geared it properly. It runs great up to 70 miles an hour or so, 80 with this sprocket. With the 14-tooth sprocket, not so much, but it's more pleasurable for me to ride. But I did get the it's like a triangle shaped retainer from Procycle, so that I did not have to destroy this one, and I will not have to worry about a thing. If I ever want to put it back the way it was, it will be absolutely no issue to do so. So there it is, folks, the DR. I'm still riding. I plan on riding tomorrow. The sunshine has finally come out, and I'll probably get to ride for the next 2 or 3 days, and I'm really looking forward to that. So thanks for watching, everybody. I do a wheelie for you, but it's hard to hold the camera with one hand and the throttle with the other. Catch you next time. Yeehaw!